So you might ask yourself, should I invest in a new company, a young company, a startup, a new IPO? So how would you know that you've got enough information if this company has only just become public, or they're kind of a brand new company? You know, they're the next Tesla or something. They're real exciting, they look great, but they're untested. And the answer is, well, you wouldn't. And so we hold about 10% of our capital for what we call risky biz investments. And that is the next Tesla, right? The next Chipotle Mexican grill, the next thing that's just really exciting. It stirs us, we want to be an owner, but they don't have that track record. Otherwise, we want 10 years of data. We want to see what happened with this management team and this company when the tide went out. We want to see if they're swimming naked or not. And the only way you'll know that is that you get to look at a long enough period of time that that company's been through a recession and they've been through tough times. Then you get to see what quality of management team you have and what quality of moat you have. Well, that's it for this week's video. If you're new here, or if you found this helpful, just subscribe to our channel for more education like this on a weekly basis.